Listen to the audio.
La nginomfazi, we try to build a future. Ngiyacela uphume empilweni zethu. Thank you.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay? And her stupid ass that whatever you guys were doing together, it is over. And I'm not going to leave you for a rat that stays in Turffontein. A stupid girl of Fasipondo, or you thought it was good enough for you to come. You tell her that you're not interested in that shit. Because she's shit. And you tell her that she's shit. She was only good for then. She's not something you're going to build a future with because she's a fucking asshole.
Lalela.
Oh, Gogo Maweni, sithando sami, Gogo Mawiza. So ke le clip ade nilaleleke I clip ekade utsizwa uGogo Maweni ekhuluma kuyona. Le clip ilikwe thina sizwe ngoGogo Sikhotheni eseyisabalalisa. Guys, impela Sikhotheni noMaweni sekude kuphela. Sikhotheni ke usevele wathi nje lalela ngeze lo sithi allergy liwayisha kwacima nansi indaba lo indoda yakhe ngine proof iyafeba. So ke uGogo Maweni ushade noSabelo last year, but they've been together for the past 5 years. And then siyazi ukuthi nanama rumors ukuthi bahlangana ngokuthi einkabi yakhe yase KZN njengoba sazi ukuthi Maweni usahamba icala le lokushaya umuntu lokushaya sister wakhe in law wakudala ukubuka lo mdlalo washonayo. And then after that oda futhi siyazi ukuthi kunamanye amacala okunogobela abaningi abashona osingathi abangani bakho Maweni esebenza nabo neex yakhe abadutshulwa njengoba bedutshuliwe kuyise kuboshwa ke umalume kaSabelo okuyena ukuthiwa uyasoleka kulamacala usengaphakathi nje njengamanje to speak wanqatshelwa ibheli lamacala ke kuthiwa ke uGogo Maweni uhamba naye phambili kona kodwa yena bengakaboshelwa ke wona ke. So ke izinkulumo zithi ke uSabelo lo bahlangana kanjalo noMaweni. So kuba sebesoke bese beyashada. Asikwazi ukuninga ukwenza uSabelo impilo yakhe ngaphandle ukuthi uphila ngaye ongakho noMaweni ukuthi uMaweni uyena osebenzayo yena lento owenza imali endlini nomshado ngathi impela ngathi ugelo yena oyintonzane endlini kuyena oyiprovider. Le voice note ke la siyamazwa kuMaweni etshela indoda yakhe uSabelo umkhwenyane wakhe futhi singathi indoda ngaphela ushadile uMse Simgube. Tshela uSabelo vela bahleke Mgube ukuthi akatshele le ntombazana ukuthi ayilutho oqala ifake nophondo uzoyithakatha yena abahlukane nayo. Uyazama uSabelo ukusho ukuthi lalela ngihle nomama la ngizama ukubuild a future sicela uhlukane. Yabona abafethu bakabe usuzotshela indoda yakhe usayenza kanjalo hayekela. Usungahlala nje uyihlalele nje kodwa nje hayekela. Yabona mase uzotshela indoda uthi mtshele ngithanda ngisakuthandi yabo mase uzofaka lelo hayi miyeke lo muntu miyeke noma uhlale wazi ukuthi usuyihlalele nje for the sake of inhliziyo yakho mase right uzohamba. This was actually going through uMaweni njengamanje. She's currently trending because of that ukuthi indoda yakhe kuthiwa igcinanga nje usilale nalo sisi wajole iphinde yamithisa yamkhulelisa kunengane. Ben mind noMaweni umithi njengamanje umitha amawele. Njobe emitha amawele nje unengane zakhe ezo3 uMaweni so kuzofika lezi ezo2 zibo 5 uSabelo unengi yakhe ingane ezo6 then uSabelo semithise lena seku7 shembe. So kuMaweni yasho la ukuthi uzoyazi address le ntombazane uyayithreatenisha uyayitshela ukuthi uzokuthakatha yasiyayilikha ke intombazane ivoice note ke yafika kuGogo Sikhotheni ke uGogo Sikhotheni kweyithathela phezulu ke washo nje ukuthi yebo umngani wami 2 uMaweni upostile guys angisinike ngibona izangoma uma ngabe mhlawumbe umuntu ekusizile uposteke le nto ukuthi upost ukusho usizile kanjena nayo uMaweni uposte le nto ke ku WhatsApp ku Instagram wakhe sitshengisa ukuthi ama client akhe ayasizakala kuyena athenga ama Mercedes. So ke kune Mercedes e voice note okanye WhatsApp uMaweni asipostele wona ukusunde client lase client uthi liyabonga ukuthi usebenzisa washo sa 30 rand and then indoda yakhe yaxolisa yabuye imthengele Mercedes. hayi ku-social media niyazazi-ke phela ukuthi into zamanje ziyabonakala bayithatha isithombe basifaka ku-Google saqhamuka isithombe ku-Google kusho ukuthi sithathe ku-Google bathi abantu-ke if ukuthi i-client lamawini ngempela lithenga i-Mercedes Benz kungani lingazange liyishuthe imoto kunokuthi lithathe isithombe saku-Google ngoba phela kumele liyishuthe imoto ngoba phela isithenga indoda ayilethi lo sho ukuthi umawini ubeqamba amanga izinto zakhe zisahambe kahle zifuna ama-client wathatha usikhotheni-ke lonto naye wayemnameka lapha wathi nansi i-Mercedes Benz bangani umngani wami oyisangoma mangase nje uyothenga iswash guys like I don't know I think siyahlanya ukuthi ugogo Sikhotheni there is no way ukuthi yini manje sebebanga phela ngoba waboshwa lo munye babangani manje futhi yini uSikhotheni noma wena sebebanga manje waboshwa lo munye nje hayi nami sengadideka manje ngoba yabona nje uSikhotheni ke manje akasakhathalele kuthenjwa ke manje akasafune kuza next and to be honest with you uboshwa kwamawena did dance i-business like obviously so I think one of those things is kube ngathi abantu bayabhala ke manje basho kanje usuke senzela ukuthi engathi angathola ama-client ngenzeka ukuthi ama-client vela wasahambi kahle and two if that's the case the only income yakhe ukuba isangoma ayikho enye into so kuzomela dependele into ukuthi kudayise but ke hopefully ukuthi kunabantu azange bayabona ama-TV nabangafunda amaphepha nabangazi ukuthi wake waboshwa abazoqhubeka bamsupport i-business like leyo kuchithelwa indoda ngicabanga ukuthi kumele kube into esingayihleka ngoba wonke amadoda ayachitha nkosi yami but manje sixawe kona lo ukuthi khona uthe njengoba umawini kule voice note ethi futhi kuzomthakatha usabela uyazi ukuthi hayibo ngekamthakatha uyifexa ngoma le hayi guys no angithandi ngoma wenu umngani wami so this is the story today let us know ukuthi do you think it's fair for us asikhulume kuma-comment nganisa west do you think it's fair for us as umphakathi sithi zangoma singachithelwa kanti zona zizini zona bakithi ukuthi singachithelwa manje sithini sithi abathakatha amadoda